Go in live camera action. Let's go. I'm ready. Ask me your questions.
So you were saying, so you joined like 5 years ago?
Yeah, 5.5 years. Okay. I've been doing this full time. I'm
full time. Wow.
Yeah, I just hit 683-3.
Wow! Congratulations.
So,
this means that you have like money for free.
Yes,
well,
you get the legacy
for
bonus
life.
for life. Correct. Yeah. So
oh my gosh! In 5 years.
Yeah, I'm really excited about it. I have a bunch of my team here. There's some of the ladies over there, but yeah, we like to have fun. We like to focus on helping people and impacting, and it's been amazing.
What was, may I ask you, what was your biggest month in?
Biggest month?
Yes.
Ooh, I've had some big months. I would say close. I would say about 100K around there. Yeah.
$100,000, correct?
Yep.
Yeah, right.
And again, it's not because I'm so special, it's just because the opportunity is so good. And it's simple. It makes it easy for regular people that are serious though to really leverage it. So yeah, it's exciting stuff.
Yeah, because it's high ticket. Yeah,
high ticket is different. It's all about high ticket.
Yes.
Definitely.
And the company, yes, that's amazing.
Yeah,
and we just met, so this is Josh from Vancouver, correct?
Yes, correct. Yeah. Pleasure to meet all of you beautiful people as well.
Thank you so much. And when you joined, you know, how long after were you able to quit your job or to replace your full income?
About a year and a bit.
That is amazing.
Yeah, after about a year, and took it serious. And it wasn't the entire year. I took it serious for about 6 months within that year, and after about the 6 months, I was able to go full time.
Wow, so, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's a game changer. Yeah. And so I even have my sister here. I got my girlfriend over there.
Yes.
Well, she's over there. Yeah.
Okay.
And my two sisters. My mom, everyone's a part of this.
This is a family business. This is amazing. Yeah, this is because it's working. Because all of the family members join because it's working. You know, like wow.
Yeah, no, it really. And it's funny too because I've done other opportunities. Yes. Right, just like a lot of people. Yes. But this, by far, has been different.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's beautiful.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, you as well. You as well. Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you, George. This is amazing.